Hi, everyone. Today we are teaching you to upgrade the Mercedes-Benz GLK. This is the disassembly tool, everyone according to the needs to prepare. First, we remove the passenger side panel. Then we loosen the screw that holds the air outlet in place. We remove the one-touch button and use the tool to unscrew the outer ring of the keyhole. Now we remove the air outlet panel from the original car. Then unplug the two plugs on the back. We started removing the first layer of the original car screen. Then we're removing the second panel of the original car screen. Continue to loosen the two screws holding the screen in place. Remove the original car screen and unplug the two plugs on the back. Now let's loosen the two screws that hold the main engine of the original car. Now take out the main engine and unplug it on the side. Then we take it all out again, unplug it from the power end, the fiber cable from the power supply. We're threading the new power supply from the bottom up. Connect the small speaker wire. Then we connect the FM transmitter. Plug in the AUX on the power supply. Then the red line of the transmitter is connected to the BJA of the power supply, and the black line is connected to GND. Then we use the upper channel table above. Then select 87.7 and then push the 4 buttons at the bottom to the corresponding position. Now we'll start connecting the new power cord to the original car plug. Connect the original optical fiber to the back of the other plug of the new power supply and then connect this plug to the host. Reattach the side plug, reinstall the unit, and tighten the fixing screws. Next, we install the new screen base. Just need to attach 2 screws to it. We reattach the outlet plug and install the outlet. Reinstall the keyring. Refasten the side screws and attach the side panels. Now we connect the new screen LVDS cable to the white power source. OK, install the new screen. Successfully started. We must first debug the original car system. Enter the settings, enter the installation settings, find the original car resolution, select the corresponding variant of the car, and then the model, select SUV. Then we go to the original car system radio page, select the lower left corner radio, select frequency, input, and enter 87.7. so that the Android system can play the sound normally. In addition, you can adjust the tone and the car horn according to your own preferences. Support door reminder. Synchronize air conditioner information in real time. Support for reverse image. Support dashboard. Take a break to enjoy a big screen movie. You can use the map to navigate anywhere. At the same time, you can also split screen use. Bluetooth calls can be made using steering wheel controls. Support wireless Carplay. You can use voice assistant. You can make calls, listen to music, use map navigation, etc. Features are very rich. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.